Okay, so I've got a 24-inch bucket mounted on this one. As you can see, basically it's got everything that the normal backhoe has. This one's just mounted on a big subframe, so you can kind of see they put it all on there. Pretty awesome machine. I've got quick disconnect front bucket. This backhoe, you can literally unhook this thing in 2 minutes. You pull these right here, those slide out when there's not tension on it. You pull that out, these big pins slide out, and you literally use the hydraulics to just kind of tilt the bucket and push this machine away, and then it unlatches right down there in the frame. Pretty quick and easy. So anyways, typical standard backhoe controls, 2 levers, bucket dump, bucket in, and then this is front arm out and in, and then this is your boom swing. All right, let's fire it up and I'll show you guys what this thing can do.